Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how to play Build Me Up Buttercup by the Foundations, a great track from the late 60s. I do hope you enjoy it, and if you do me a massive favour please and click like and subscribe, which helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. Lots of open chords in this one, couple of bar chords here and there, but I'd love for you to follow along with me. It's a great little song. If this is what you're up for, go grab a guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Build Me Up Buttercup, let's get straight into it. So first off, we've got the intro. So it's going to go down, up, down on a C chord. So we've got down, up, down. And then we're going to go up, 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 down on an E. Then we're going to go down, down on an F. And then up, 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 down on a G. That gives us and then that brings us to down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, brings us into the song. So let's go through that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then that brings us into the song. So let's go through them chords one more time. So we've got C, E, then F, G, and then we're straight into the song. So that's the intro. Let's move into the first verse then. Same chords for the first few bars. So we've got, why do you build me up, then Buttercup, baby, then to F, and then it's to G, and then C, and then E, and then F, and then G. Right, so that's where that's similar. This is where it changes. I need C, and then B flat, F, and then F minor, C, and then to G, and then we've got a little riff that goes. Okay, so let's get a little strumming pattern behind that. It's down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, really slowly. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So, chords. Let's go start that again. So we've got C. I'll call the chords out. 2, 3, 4. C, E, F, G, and then C, E, then F, then G, and then C, and then B flat, and then F, and then F minor, C, G. Right, so two things I want to bring up. First thing, the B flat choices for you. If you don't want to do a bar chord, which I don't see why you wouldn't, but maybe it's a bit too tough, even though you've got to do a bar chord for the F minor really. But B flat, if you want to do it as an open chord, it's first finger, first fret on the E string. Then we're going to do a sort of A shape, but we're going to slide that up to the 3rd fret. So that's second finger, D string in the 3rd fret. Just underneath that on the G string, we're going to be with our 3rd finger, and then little finger just under that. So that's a 4-string chord. There's your B flat. Now what most other people would do to give us a bigger sound, you can either bar all 6 like that and leave these fingers like that, which gives you your B flat, or you can hold down 4, 3, 2 with one finger while barring the all 6 in the 1st fret, gives you that. Or the other way you can do it is you can hold them strings down with a little finger, use your 3rd finger to press that down and do that. That gives you your B flat. So we've got C, I need you more than B flat, baby, and then to F, and then F minor, C, and then G, and then let's take you through that little riff. So we're going to go downstroke on 4, 3, 2, 1. One little with an F. Strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Ba. Then what I want you to do is bring your third finger off, bring your second finger up, so that your second finger is now 2nd fret D string. Again, play the the D string downwards, and then completely off, playing strings 4, 3, 2. So we've got, and then chord of C. And then that was up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Got it? So we got one more time. So it's F, then 2nd finger up, 3rd finger away. So now we're on the, there we go. So we've gone from F right up to the screen. Do it with me. So we've got F, then bring your 2nd finger up, take the 3rd finger away. Then we're going to go up to a C. So you can leave that 2nd finger on and bring your 3rd finger up to get your C. And then we're going to go to the G, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we got, so F, up, nothing, C. Okay. So that's the verse. So one more time with the verse, then I'll bring you into the bridge. So we got, why do you see E, and then F, and then G, and then C, and then E, and then F, and then G, and then C, B flat, and then F, and then F minor, C, G, and then G. Right, next bit. Here's the bit that goes, it's the, well, that was the chorus, so this is the verse. Here we go. So we got C, G, B flat, F, C, F. Twice. That was the progression. C, G, B flat, F, C, F. So C, G, B flat, F, C, F. Then again, C, G, B flat, F, C, F. Again, baby, baby, try to find F. This is the bit that moves in from an F to the D minor. The baby, baby, I try to find baby, and I'll make you mine. F, and then D, and then G. Ooh, ooh. Right, so that is F. Then we're going to do as we did before, earlier when we went from the F to the C. But we're going to go F, bring that 2nd finger up again to the position we had before. And then we're going to drop down to a D minor. Yeah, D minor. There we go. So, baby, baby, and G. Now what I do here, very loosely, I go down, drop my 1st finger down to the 1st fret of the E, G, drop down, I leave my little finger there, and then I go to an E minor. Okay, so let's just take you through that again. So we're going to go F, D minor, baby, baby, G, and then we're going to go down, 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 E minor, and then down to an A, make you happy, F, and then to D, and then back to G, ooh, ooh, and then we're Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, build me up. Right, let's take you through that bit again. So, F, F, step down, D minor, baby, baby, G, G, step down, E minor, then to A, F, and then to D, waiting for G. Ooh, ooh. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, E, and then to F, and then back to G, and then C, and then E, and then F, and then G, and then C, and then B flat, F, and F minor, C, G, and then C, G, B flat, F, C, and then to F, C, G, B, F, C, F, D minor, G, step down, E minor, A, F, D, G, ooh, ooh. So there we have it, Build Me Up Buttercup by the Foundations. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like for me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, guys, take great care of yourselves. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.